Hello, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy here with 911 Studios, and I just want to give a huge shout out to the Michael Kors Charlotte collection of bags. You guys, I think that these are great bags, and I love them especially because they are medium size, and I think it's really hard to find a good tote bag that is large enough but not too large, and the Charlotte is exactly that. It's going to be a lot roomier than just a simple crossbody bag, but as far as a tote goes, it's not overwhelming, and that is really, really great if you are a petite woman. Sometimes big tote bags can be overwhelming, they can be bulky, and they can make you look even smaller and your proportions weirder. So I love the Charlotte. If you are a petite woman, definitely this is going to be super flattering for you. I love it's got your zip top. On the inside, you're gonna have 2 additional inside pockets. There are also 2 pockets on the outside. It's leather, the hardware is gold, and I love that the straps are highly adjustable, and they've got like buckle straps on it. So not only are the straps adjustable, but how they adjust is just a really pretty fashionable detail because you get the buckles for that. This is a great bag. It's a great summer bag. Like I said, it's really good in that medium if you want something that is not too big and not too small. Petite women for sure. This is going to look great on you. You guys check out the Charlotte. Find the exact color that you are gonna love. You're gonna find something that's gonna fit your style perfectly. You're gonna love this. Put it in your cart today or buy it for a friend. You'll be really glad that you